Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can buy and sell on Exness. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's easy and simple. So first of all, make sure you are logged in into your Exness account. Then go and click on My Account. Then choose the account you want. If it's demo or real. For me, I will use just demo. Click Trade. Then click on Exness Terminal. And this is the chart. So for this video, I will use Bitcoin because the market is closed. So let's change the candles colors. Now, if you want to buy the market, you need just go and click on buy here and click confirm. After that, you have your position here. This is your P&L, the margin you left, the margin level, the balance, and the free margin. I think you know this stuff. So if you want to close this position, click here on close order or click on close all. Click confirm. If you want to sell, click sell and click confirm. You must click confirm. And you can close it also from here. So let's say I want to buy in a specific price. Let's say I want to buy here on 666,200. Just go to pending, choose the lot you want, and type here 66 and 200. As you can see, then click on confirm buy limit. When the market hit this price, your buy order will automatically fail. So let's say I want to change this one. You can click on it and hold, then you can drag it like this. So let's say I want to sell on a specific price, sell limit, just click on sell, then click on pending and type here the number you want. So let's say 600 and 302, 305, 306 for example, like this, and click on confirm. As you can see, pending order placed. This is when the market hit this number, your order will fail automatically. So let's say you want to add take profit, click on take profit here and add the price you want. You can also add money. Let's say I want to only profit $100, type here $100. For example, let's say I want $50, just type $50. $50. If you want, and you can use also pips. Let's say you want to earn only 50 pips, 60 pips, 1000 pips, I don't know. You can use this. Also, we have the stop loss. You can add the stop loss here. You can add by the price and by the pips and the money. Only I want to lose, let's say $50 or $100. Choose it, then click on confirm. And if you want to close that order, click close from here. It's easy and simple. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.